Decision making is the heart of managerial accounting. Without this accounting, no doubt about this. Actually, managerial accounting, they influence a triangle basis, professional ethics or ethical profession, governance. These are influence of decision making. So decision making is the heart of management accounting. This decision is conducted on the future base, and a manager how must take a actual decision that is depend on his or her area or activities. So to influence a decision, manager account there are some norms or some area. This area is one side is the governance, rules and regulation purpose. Another is the professional. So both perspectives they influence on future base and take a proper decision. This is the criteria or concept of management accounting. Management accounting are very simple definition are tried to highlight by the SUNOT. Management accounting is the process of collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting financial and non-financial information. It is a very burning issues. Managerial accounting they deals with the financial and non-financial aspect. To take the proper decision, they have dealings with financial and non-financial information. That's mean qualitative and quantitative information. They try to collect it and take a plan on the basis of the decision. Decision making is the main phase of managerial accounting. That is, we try to discuss about a different angle with the help of different accounting. Here are three diagrams. One is the financial accounting, another is the managerial accounting, another is the cost accounting. Both are accounting, but their deals are different phase or different aspect. Financial accounting, they try to deals with the financial or pure financial activities, past or historical database. Managerial accounting, financial or non-financial item, they try to deals and take a proper plan in few surveys. This is the main criteria of managerial accounting. Another is a cost accounting. They try to cost allocation, cost ascertainment, cost control. About this, they try to deals of a manufacturing company. So these three types of accounting, the leading aspect or dealings activities are different. One is pure financial item, another is decision based or internal parties for qualitative and quantitative information, and another is cost purpose. So the area or scope are different, the different accounting. Out of this, we will try about the managerial accounting and its aspect. To know the managerial accounting, you have to know at first managerial accounting and its scope or perspective. Managerial accounting basically dealings with a specific body. This body name is Institute of Management Accounting. This is the body of management accounting to leads or guide the managerial accounting perspective to build up accurate decision taking in this purpose. Okay. So this accounting they leads four aspect. At first, certified management accounting. It is a first aspect of managerial accounting. Second aspect, certified public accountant. Third, strategy management accounting purpose. And last, professional or ethical professional practice. This type of foresight are developed by a managerial accounting. If you are able to do practice a managerial accounting, you will get a strongness or build up your career or foresight minimum. Out of the site at first certified management accounting, there are two aspects. At first aspect, planning base, financial planning, performance and control base, the deals, and another the decision making, financial decision making purpose. So financial planning and performance and controlling base in this area, our main focusing point is the planning, budgeting, and forecasting, performance management, cost management, and internal control related this area. And decision area, the financial statement analysis and take decision, corporate finance and decision analysis, risk analysis and take a decision. This is the top authority base or most top priority. This is the CMA, that means Certified Public Accountant purpose of managerial accounting. Another certified public accounting. Managerial accounting deals with the certified public accounting base. In this area, the focusing point is rule-based compliance, assurance into standards, financial accounting standards, business law and tax. Just rules and regulation based in this purpose are deals by managerial accounting. Another strategy stage of managerial accounting for Porter 5 force. You know that Porter 5 force means in a business there are 5 stages: entry level or primary starting point, bargaining by supplier, bargaining power of buyer, rivalry. This is the 5 Porter forces. Porter 5 forces. About this, a managerial accounting, the focusing point is clearing and challenging. They try to clarify and take a challenge, ideating solution, developing a proposed solution, planning for implementation in this area. are main focusing point. And finally, by completing or practice the managerial accounting, ethical professional or professional ethics will be developed on strongness. About this, the main criteria is the principle based and standard based. Principle based honesty, fairness, objectivity, and responsibility they try to deals. And standard level they try to deals compliance, confidentiality, integrity, and credibility. So this area are managerial accounting deals. So we can say that managerial accounting is a vast area that's impact on your career in future or present base. So we can ultimately gather the perspective or practical or predictive knowledge about this case of managerial accounting. Now I am going to another slide. This is a very important or burning issues. Why managerial accounting matter to your career? Why? This is a very important question. Actually, managerial accounting, they three phase they deals. There are main three phase. A planning stage, they try to make a plan. Controlling stage, that's been monitoring, decision making, and finally take a decision. So three phase and three segment they try to apply at a marketing stage, how they apply the plan. In marketing phase, they try to take a plan about budget for TV, print, and internet advertising, plan to hire to serve a new territory. This criteria of marketing-based planning of managerial accounting and supply chain management-based planning. What the things about this of managerial accounting planning aspect to the supply chain management plan to produce next growth. That means supply chain management is the flow from raw material to consumer. Every space they try to maintain a chain of command. In this stage, the managerial accounting take a plan, produce one place to another place, one step to another step. They try to take a plan how they complete their plan process or plan procedure. And planning process of human resource management by the managerial accounting. In this stage, they take a plan about the hiring and firing the employee. About this, they take a plan. This is the planning stage of the managerial accounting of three segment marketing, supply chain management, and human resource management. In this stage, you have to need control. How a control at marketing stage, budget price sometime increase, sometime decrease. Just monitoring. In this stage are controlling mechanism are taken by managerial accounting. The controlling stage of the supply chain management by reducing the number of defective units of the produced product. And human resource management in this purpose, how I control the managerial accounting, meeting of competing timely performance appraisal. In this stage, managerial accounting conducted meeting and try to maintain a minutes. This is the activities of the controlling. Finally, managerial accounting, they take a proper decision in the marketing base. How much, how way the product are produced or want to maximum sales with minimum cost. These related techniques or these related activities have to take a decision. This is the marketing based decision of managerial accounting and supply chain purpose. By this design and redesign, edit, check, and revise and take a proper decision. Finally, on the basis of the human resource management, how I take the decision. In this situation, hiring techniques, sometime part-time, sometime full-time employee, he have to maintain. About this decision you have to take. So this area, managerial accounting, deeply conducted the managerial aspect or managerial activities. So we can easily can call managerial accounting is the matter to your career. This is the importance of managerial accounting. I am going to another point. Our point is the difference between financial accounting and managerial accounting. There are definitely some difference between them. User-based difference, financial accounting, external user parties, owners, editor, tax authority, regulator. And managerial accounting is an internal user or inside of a organization. Planning, controlling, and decision making base they deals with. Activities emphasizes the financial consequence of past activities. Financial accounting deals with past activities. Managerial accounting they deals with future based activities. Report financial accounting emphasis company wide report. Emphasis segment wise report. Managerial accounting segment wise report they to make. GAAP and IFRS. That's mean this is the rules and regulation to conduct accounting. So financial accounting the mandatory as follows GAAP and IFRS. But managerial accounting no need as a mandatory. External report are mandatory for financial accounting, not mandatory for managerial accounting. Emphasis objectivity and verifiability, financial accounting, managerial accounting the relevance. This is the fundamental or core difference between financial and managerial accounting aspect. Another important aspect of the managerial accounting, the flow chart of strategy of a manager to produce a product. At first, you have to go research base, research and development. Which type of product you want to produce or want to buy, you have to design in this phase. Next, product design. Which type product you will give more priority. First, you have to draw a diagram. Then manufacturing. Then you have to go the manufacturing purpose. Then marketing. then distribution and customer service. This is the flow, consequence flow. You can the same supply chain management part you can call. To be completely supply chain management, you have to follow the process. So managerial accounting not only decision based, they also completed a supply chain management also. So managerial accounting are very important to your career, to your business area, and so on.